What's up, your fitters? You are what you repeatedly do. So, kakatapos na ng Sunday rainy run namin. Kasama ko yung mga anak ko. So, umuulan siya. So, may gusto kong i-share sa inyo na makikita nyo guys, if you do hard work, if you want to better yourself, may mga challenges na talagang lalabas. So, before we run, umuulan siya. Sabi ko, should we stop sa mga anak ko or should we continue? So, ang ginawa namin, we ran. So, it rained. It was raining. So, ibig sabihin guys, minsan pag may gusto tayong hard work na gawin o gusto natin to better ourselves, there are obstacles, there are hindrances. And now, what you do or how you react with those obstacles will determine if you really want that or if you really want it. So, yun guys, yun lang i-share ko sa inyo. Umuulan siya, tumakbo kami because we wanted it. In life, halintulad ko siya, may gusto rin kayong maabot, dreams, visions. There will be obstacles. Even sometimes yung family members natin will doubt you. But if you believe in yourself, if you really believe in your vision, because that is your vision. Yung vision na yan, pinakita sa inyo guys, sa inyo lang ng Diyos. Kaya yung ibang tao hindi nila maintindihan. So sa lahat na may mga vision and dreams dyan, pursue it. And I believe you can achieve it. And there will be obstacles. And after we ran, suddenly, sunshine showed up. So, the sun showed, meaning, after the rain, there's always a rainbow. Have a great Sunday.